What's up, guys? Today where are we?
Hello, we're in Kikongwe. Kikongwe is where the Safari Blue trip commences. We're going to have to explore the ocean and get to do snorkeling. We'll take you with us. Yeah.
And someone will be wondering, why are you driving today?
So what we did is we decided to get a car rental. It made moving around convenient and cheaper, as Zanzibar is quite big. Shout out to Auntie Zainab who gave us that idea. That's my auntie. Yeah, and it's been very flexible because Alex, just tell them how inconveniencing it would be with having a driver waiting for you.
Yeah. I think it's a good idea. It's a great idea if you can do it. Rent a vehicle when you come to Zanzibar, especially if you're gonna go to other parts. And if you like moving around, you like the flexibility, it's much more easier rather than having a driver and waiting for the driver to come and pick you up, being worried that the driver would have to wait for you, then you have to hurry up, or you would have to call the driver when you're ready. Your movement is quick. You don't need to put so much effort into it. So I think it's a great idea. If you're coming to Zanzibar, consider hiring a vehicle. You come with your driver's license, and depending on the rental company, you can be able to be granted a permit. Yeah,
we personally used a guy called Anwar. Thank you, Anwar, for making this easier for us and convenient. In fact, I didn't have to do much. He did the permit for me. Like, all I had to do was send him my details, my picture, and my driver's license.
All right, so let's get to the Blue Safari. I've been really looking forward to it, and let's see how it goes.
Okay, come with us.
I'm trying to see if I can vlog with a phone attached to the DJI. I've been vlogging with the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. And I love it so far, but sometimes the screen is very small, so I don't get to see what exactly I'm vlogging with. So let me try out the phone and see how it looks. It looks lovely. And Mama Booty, you getting ready?
Yeah, I'm just packing a few things that I need. And leaving them right.
A few things. Please don't believe her when she says a few things, because she always packs a lot.
Can you leave me alone?
Okay. I'm sorry. So guys, we're about to... Wow, this is amazing. I'm so excited. I came to Zanzibar, and definitely the Blue Safari was one activity that was on my list. So right in front of me I have the gorgeous ocean. She mentioned the name of the place. I'm probably going to put it on the screen somewhere. Kikongwe or something. Okay, so let's look at the ocean. Oh, I can't wait to fly my drone. This looks amazing. A group experience, so we're gonna join a few other people to experience the Blue Safari. So, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So
this is a swimming stuff. So we use it when we are going to do snorkeling.
Okay.
So if you keep it in your face, it will be easy to see the fish. Or the
wow.
Of the sea.
Okay.
So that's why.
42 where now? Right.
No,
Guys. Okay. So the water looks amazing. This is that's really gorgeous. Wow. Woo! So about to relax for a bit, take some amazing pictures. So So this is literally our first stop here. Yeah. Amazing. I can see like an island.
Just in case I don't like it.
We'll be going to different islands. So this is the first of I think 3 islands that we'll be visiting. It's just so amazing. People are here just relaxing, just enjoying the good views. Some people have started swimming. I just took some drone shots. For the start, I just want to relax a bit. Take it slow, pull it, and then with time we know what the next activity is. So our boat is here waiting for us, and yeah, we're here as a group. We're having fun, enjoying some fruits for the start, but at length we would have lunch with have some lunch and enjoy some seafood. So it's just been amazing. I mean, Zanzibar has really exceeded my expectations, so let's see how it goes. Which island are we going now?
We go now. Now we go to snorkeling.
All right. So we're going.
Snorkeling, we go there to get lunch.
Okay. So we're going for the snorkeling experience. Looking forward to that. It's just been an amazing time here at Zanzibar.
Just waiting. We saw a dolphin! Oh my god! It was amazing. It's disappeared now. When we are ready with our cameras.
Just when I set up the camera, I'm sure it will come out again. I'm sure it will come out again.
And then there was me who didn't know how to swim. So if you don't know how to swim, they're gonna give you a lifeguard. They're gonna give you this floating thing. They're gonna tie you to the boat so that you don't float away. So please, if you are coming to Zanzibar, try and learn how to swim. I think if you really want to appreciate the marine life, to go down. I was able to look into the water and see some of the fishes, but shooting with my iPhone down and seeing my friend Butaina and other people, you really appreciate it if you know how to swim and dive. So please learn how to swim if you're coming to Zanzibar.
So we just got to the second island.
This, but one piece for you and one piece for me.
Yeah. Add everything.
One piece for you.
What's this? What is this?
Nini?
No, add it.
Octopus, yeah.
Add it.
And yes, shrimps. Yes, and octopus, please. Mbona yapata tatu?
Why are you taking it?
Yesterday you
Selfish.
for you. I'm having seafood. Look at all this seafood and chips. It's amazing. I love this. You get this with the safari experience. Oh, we didn't do the spice tour.
So we took a walk, and where are we now?
I don't know. We're just going to see the baobab tree.
Yeah, they're like we have to see some baobab tree or something. I don't know. Okay, so let's.
300 years.
Oh, wow.
My bro,
So old.
what's happening? Where are we now?
We come to see the baobab tree.
Oh, okay.
So people they say this tree is 300 years.
Oh, I'm good.
Yeah. And come here to see this baobab.
Naweza kuonja?
Unaweza kuonja hapa.
So what is this?
Pia unaweza kununua.
What is it?
This baobab fruit.
Oh, okay.
That's the one I love.
Baobab fruit.
How does it taste?
Flower.
Yummy. This is what
That's gonna make.
I will cook and mix the flavor of Zanzibar. Vanilla.
kuna ile ya yenye kuna pilipili.
So over 500 years old. Oh, it's really huge. Interesting. Captain! Captain, where are we? Where are we?
He doesn't even understand.
Hakuna matata Zanzibar.
I like the way they just respond and they don't understand. Anauliza tuko wapi?
Name of the place?
Laguna.
Laguna.
He's like hakuna matata. I love that.
So this was the next place we visited. I think they called it the mangrove area or something. So it's not that deep here. You can get to swim in the water. You can stand in the water, relax. I think we spent about 30 to 45 minutes here and then we moved on.
You should definitely come to Zanzibar. Wow. Hello. Travel Plug Kenya.
Travel plug. Yeah. Book this experience. Travel plug.
I'm too tired to talk.
So yeah, that's it for today. I really enjoyed the Blue Safari experience, all for $50. So you visit these islands on your boat, you'd get to have fruits in the morning, and then you'd enjoy lunch, which involves seafood with fries and so much more. And you get to do the snorkeling and other activities. So I'd highly recommend this activity if you really want to immerse yourself in the Zanzibari experience. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Comment below and tell me what you think about this experience, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye bye.